Righty. Hi there guys, this is a do-it-yourself tutorial based on writing some content for your website. Now I definitely wouldn't overthink this. I'll definitely just jump straight in, go and write some content, upload it to your website. Your website can only benefit from it. Alright, so I want to, for example, go and write some new content onto my website, and it's going to be about SEO or search engine optimization. So first thing I want to do is go and have a look in Google search, and I'm going to type in the word SEO. So the first thing that happens, have a look at this, is Google actually prompts me here to tell me what users are actually searching for. All right, so SEO tutorial, just SEO itself, SEO company, how to do SEO. So all of these are keywords that people are typing in. So if you had to use any one of these as a heading, you would be able to get some attention in Google's eyes if your content is a good authoritative content. All right. The second thing that we want to have a look at here, I'm just going to type that in. There we go. All right. We've got some paid advertisements, and then we've got some companies ranking up there. But this is a nice question over here. This is an informative section of the content. And here's a question that we want to answer. This is something I've been thinking about doing for a bit, so here we go. Content. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to copy this content here. All right. And I'm going to come over to my editor. This is an editor called hemingwayapp.com. I use this on a daily basis. And let's paste that in there. Okay, all right. The next thing I want to do is I want to go and get a couple of keywords. I want to know what my competitor or a competitor is ranking on that page. So I'll come back here. I'll have a look for a competitor that's ranking quite high. And I'm going to come over to a program called moz.com, and I put in the competitor's domain right at the top, and here's some keywords that they are ranking for. All right, so I'm going to just choose one of these keywords. Let's go with Johannesburg SEO. Okay, grab that, and we'll go to Hemingway app. Okay, all right, the next thing I want to do is I want to come back to this page here, and we are going to use this as the header, because we know that people are searching for this. This is a question that people want answered. Okay. All right, and then what we're going to do next is we are going to go back to the main page here. What I'm looking for now is a little bit further down here. This is what one might refer to as a latent semantic option. So if this is also answered, it will kind of pertain to the same parent keyword that we chose at the top there, or the same parent question that we're asking. All right, so I'm going to use SEO company and how to do SEO. I'm going to choose these two. All right, so now we've got some keywords. All right, there we go. That's 3 keywords there, and we've got the main header, which is the question that's going to be at the top of the content. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're actually just going to completely rewrite this content in your own words. So what this is doing is it's giving you kind of a template or a bit of a map of how to write some content, and of course this is coming from an authoritative source, because Google thinks that this content is very authoritative because it was right at the top and it was specific to that question. But we're going to rewrite it. All right. All right, so here's the content that I've done. I've rewritten this in my own words, and that's quite important because you want it to be your own content, even though we've had some inspiration from this content up here. And we've included the title, which is there, and we've included the keywords, Johannesburg SEO. There we go. And we've included SEO company. There we go. And how to do SEO, we've included at the bottom over here with a bit of a call to action. All right. So what do we do next? It's quite simple. We need to make sure that this content here is plagiarism free. All right. So now we're going to go to our plagiarism checker. This is called plagiarismdetector.net. I use it quite often. We're just going to paste the content in there, and we go a little bit further down to the bottom here, and we click on check plagiarism. Now you can also check a URL. Okay, great. So I checked it, and of course it tells us here at the top right it is 100% unique. Okay, so that makes sense because we went and rewrote every single word of this content here. Why do we want it to be plagiarism free? Well, you don't want all your stuff on your website copied from another place. That's not authoritative. You want to be unique in your own way. All right, so that is how you do a bit of content. You'll now go and upload this to your website or your Facebook page or wherever you want the content up, and where you're trying to get searchers that are searching for that question specifically to come and find your authoritative content. Okay, great. Thank you very much, guys. Chat to you soon. Ciao.